Hello guys, come on again. I am Raihan from Techmaster YouTube channel. Hope you are well. I am well too. Today the subject of our video is phone hanging problem solution, which is the best thing for our mobile handset. Sometimes we can see that our mobile is hanging automatically. So guys, see the whole video. If you see the video and do the work, I can give guarantee 100% that you can fix the problem of your phone hanging. So guys, show the whole video. Who is new in my channel, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and give a like. So I don't want to talk again, I want to start my video. So the first way is always want to clean your phone storage, like uninstall these apps which you did not use. And the second way is go to your Play Store option. After go to Play Store, click here the three dot menu and you can see some page. Now press the Play Protect option and here you can see that Play Protect scanned yesterday at 16:13 and here you can see scan. That always scan your phone virus. If your phone have any virus, your phone always hanging automatically. So click here scan to scan your phone virus and then you can see that Play Protect scanned yesterday at 16:13 and here you can see no problem found or my phone has no virus. Then the third way is go to use setting. After go to setting, click here in about phone. After that, search a option like build number. If you did not see build number, go to search all option and you can see here are option like build number. Then click here like 10 times. I click here build number and then give your phone password. After that, you can see that in the bottom you are now a after here you search a option known as developer option. If you did not see, go to search here developer option. Developer option. After search, if you did not show any page, generally go out and here you can see a option like additional setting. After going here, you can see here a developer option in your phone and then click here. After that, go to bottom of the phone and search a option known as window scale animation. After click window animation scale, click here animation off. Click here animation off. After off animation, go out and again click here animation off. Whether my phone never hanging, so I did not choose this option. If your mobile hanging, please choose this option. After that, go out. After go out, go to your file manager. After go to your file manager, click here search. After go to file manager, try to move everything from your phone storage to your external memory. If you did not have any external memory, you did not do this work. So I teach you 4 ways that phone hanging problem solution. Now I teach you the last way, that how to fix phone hanging problem. This is very easy tricks. Generally go to Play Store and download a apps. Generally go to Play Store and download a apps known as Phone Manager. Here you can see the icon of the apps phone manager. After that, click the option, and in the bottom you can see a option known as virus scan. Now click here virus scan and scan your virus. If your phone has any virus, your phone hanging automatically. After that, delete all your virus of your phone. Also, the apps optimize your phone regularly, that any virus did not can go your mobile. So guys, it was my video. If you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Please give us like in my video, because we already make wonderful video about phone. So goodbye everybody. I wish again I am coming in my YouTube channel with a new video. Thank you for watching.